It's very important because of the shade. Always from market going to, you see, the heat is helping us. So for the heat is very important. They cutting the trees, we are not happy because our forefathers, he planted the trees. So if you want to cut the trees, we are not very happy. So for that one there, it's not available. You want the road, but you want the shade. You don't the road. You know, we want the road, but the shade is very important.
These trees on the road is a good thing because we, the pedestrians, when we are walking, sometimes the shade is much on us, and because of the trees, when you get here, you can easily relax. And then the weather here is too much. So because of the trees, sometimes the ventilation is good for us. So cutting down these trees, I think in a way is good, but considering the weather too, it will not bring a good health to the people of this land. So what I suggest is that if they are even to do some extension now, at least it shouldn't be to the extent of cutting down the trees. They should know how to do it so that when we are on the road too, we don't get accidents like that.
The decision that they are saying they should cut the trees, I think is not the best because you see, majority of the people are walking through the distance and the trees provide shade. So I think they shouldn't cut it, but rather it should be left like this. I think from the left side, when you are going to town, the left side, I think that trees they are small, and there are no plenty trees there. So I think they can expand, they can only extend it to that side, but leave the left-hand side. You know, getting to raining season, the wind is always high, so it serves as a barrier which blocks the wind from removing our seeds.